celebrities. Is Steve Huff doing really spirit box sessions with popular celebrities? Last 2 weeks before, he uploaded spirit box sessions videos with Sushant Singh Rajput, who passed away 1 month ago, and his demise was unknown. People were thinking that he committed suicide or he committed murder. Nobody knows it. So we will discuss in this video that these spirit box sessions held by Steve Huff are real or fake. So in this video I am going to prove it with proofs. So let's get started.
Before getting started, please subscribe Quick Knowledge channel and press the bell icon beside it so that you will get latest notifications and updates of this channel.
Now, before getting into the topic that it's real or fake, first let's understand the concept of soul. So in this video, if I refer spirit or soul, both are same only. Don't think that they are different and don't be confused. Soul and spirit are same only. So for understanding the soul, there's a law called energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. So according to that, if we take this as a reference, logically, if a human is also a form of energy. So when a human dies, we think that he is completed and he is over. But human is also energy. When he dies, the energy is not destroyed. It changes into other form, which is like an eternal form or a form which lives in other dimensions, like soul. That form name is soul or spirit. So this will not go into deep into soul, that they are real or fake. I am telling you just the concept, this is the logic behind the soul. So this is the concept behind the soul. The energy from the human when he dies converted into the soul. Now let's understand another topic, how Steve Huff became popular. See, last month famous Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput was dead. Nobody knew that it was a suicide or it was officially confirmed as suicide, but everyone was wondering it was a murder or it was suicide, and like people were confused. At that time only, after the 1 month of his demise, when people were confused a lot with some facts, Steve Huff came and uploaded one video about spirit box session. It became so popular because people want him to, Sushant Singh Rajput, to tell that he is murdered or suicide or something. So he uploaded 3 parts of the spirit box sessions and his channel got very popular and he got very popular. He didn't monetize the 3 videos for publicity, his publicity grew and like he was popular in this. So last 3 weeks or 2 weeks, everyone was talking about him and he was popular. So leave this matter, like this Steve Huff got popular. So if we get into the main topic, is Steve Huff's spirit box sessions are real or fake? Absolutely 100% they are fake. Now you may be wondering why this is fake. I am going to prove it with some proofs. First point, first I explained you the concept of soul because you need to understand for this point number 1 proof. If you see that video, spirit box session video, Steve Huff is he has some devices, 3 devices, 1 speaker, 1 transmitter and 1 controller. So like he controls the voice and from the speaker the voice comes. Whose voice comes? The soul voice comes. Like Steve Huff questions the soul and the soul answers. So how it is done? See, in the first I explained you, soul is like after a human body, that energy is converted into soul. But soul doesn't have a human body. Human body, soul doesn't have. If you might see pictures in Google of the souls and spirits, they are just fake because we can't click an image of soul. It is invisible. In a hospital, when a person dies, you see something going in air, you don't see. It's not proven yet, but from the law, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, we are taking this concept. So soul, we can't click an image and soul doesn't have a human body. So this voice is coming, human body has vocal cords to produce voice. But does soul have human body where vocal cords are present? Soul doesn't have human body, soul doesn't have vocal cords, and voice will not come from soul because there are no vocal cords present. This is a simple logic we need to understand. Point number 2, if you will say that the soul send waves and that Steve Huff's device convert them into audio, this is, if we have that much technology, our governments, our investigation departments and our science would have used it till now. We would have solved many murder cases, many like unknown cases till now. This is not used, this is not scientifically proven also. You check in some browsers or anything, this is not scientifically proven. So why you are believing this? So what Steve Huff is doing here? See, he's taking audio clips of Sushant Singh Rajput's interviews, movies, because he's a great star, he has some interviews he's taking the audio clips. Then he's recording some voices and he's converting them into Sushant Singh Rajput's voice, because he already has audio files. Then what he's doing, he's lowering the sound pitch, and he's making some effects to that voice so that it looks like some soul is speaking. So when you see the video, it's a little creepy or something. It's like a soul only which is speaking from some other place when you see his videos. So like that, he's adding effects to the audio. So how Steve Huff is doing now in this video, I will show you how. Like I will show you with the speaker, I will show you with the, I also converted some audio files into like that soul effects like that. I will show you how he does. Then you will believe that this is all fake. Now I will show you how Steve Huff fools us by doing that spirit box sessions. See, I already recorded my audio and added some effects to it. I decreased the pitch and I added some effects to this. So I did it in my phone and putting in speaker. But Steve Huff has some traditional devices. So we should believe that some soul is talking with that device. So I will show you. Is there any soul?
Yes, I am.
Do you like Quick Knowledge YouTube channel?
Yes, I am Quick Knowledge.
Why do you like Quick Knowledge YouTube channel?
Yes, I like this channel because it's very useful and informative.
So this is how Steve Huff fools us. You watched, no? See, I recorded some audio and I did this. I recorded audio, I added effects and I am portraying into speaker. Like this, Steve Huff fools us. He will use some dim lighting, some lights, and to fool us. So this is how Steve Huff performs their spirit box sessions. So now you understood how this paranormals conduct spirit box session. They just add effects to the audio, and how I did, you just saw. So like this only many people do for publicity. So if Steve Huff wants to prove that this is real, tell any paranormal anyone that do a live session with spirit live in YouTube. So the viewers will ask questions in live chat and he needs to question the spirit. No one will do because it's not real. This is just fake. That's why no one will do. So I hope that you understood the concept. Many people will come in future because of their publicity. Many people have come up in past and many people are there in present. Many people will come up in future because some people just want to do anything for their publicity. For this video, I collected some information and I also researched. That's why I made this video. This video is not intended to hurt anyone. I respect Sushant Singh Rajput and he's a very great and well-known actor. His demise left the whole world and even me in sad. So I hope that you understood the concept. If you like the video, please like it and also share with your friends. And one more thing, the main conclusion of this video is that don't believe anything blindly. Think for a while. So now you saw, many people believed it blindly, but after this video they will only understand. Like they believe such a fake one. So the conclusion of this video is that please share this video with your friends and also subscribe this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Stay tuned to Quick Knowledge.